Welcome to Senior Health Secrets. Do you want to feel strong and steady on your feet, even at 90? The secret might be on your plate. Lately, have you noticed that getting up from your favorite chair takes a little more effort? Or that a simple flight of stairs leaves you feeling a bit breathless? Maybe those daily walks now feel more like a chore. This isn't just a part of getting older. It's a gradual loss of muscle that often goes unnoticed. And here's a fact that might surprise you. Your legs are usually the first place to show this weakness. When your legs lose strength, it can affect your balance, chip away at your independence, and increase your risk of a fall. But here's the wonderful news. You can absolutely turn things around. You can start rebuilding that strength today, right from your own kitchen. While gentle exercise is great, the food you eat can be just as powerful for your leg muscles. In this video, we'll explore 6 incredible foods that can help restore muscle, strengthen your bones, and keep you walking confidently for years to come. Stay with us until the end, because the #1 food on our list is something many of you already have at home, but you might not be using it to its full potential for strength. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from our wonderful community. Tell me in the comments, how old are you, and where in the world are you joining us from today? Okay, let's jump in. Here are 6 science-backed foods to help your legs stay strong, flexible, and full of life. Number 6, sweet potatoes. To keep your legs moving with ease, you need good, clean energy. Some foods give you a quick rush, but then you crash. Sweet potatoes are different. They offer a slow, steady supply of power that fuels your muscles for hours. As we age, our muscles don't use energy as well as they used to. That's why tasks like carrying groceries can feel tiring. Sweet potatoes help solve this. They're full of complex carbohydrates that provide lasting fuel without spiking your blood sugar. Inside their vibrant orange flesh, you'll find vitamin A and potassium. These nutrients help mend tiny tears in your muscles, prevent painful cramps, and keep your movement smooth. Sweet potatoes also contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation can quietly weaken muscle fibers. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes helps fight this damage, keeping your legs limber and comfortable. You can roast them, mash them, or add them to soups. Every delicious serving helps your legs carry you further, one confident step at a time. Number 5, oats. Many people see oats as just a simple breakfast, but for seniors, they are a fantastic tool for building leg endurance. If your legs feel heavy by the afternoon, oats could be the answer. With age, our bodies find it harder to keep energy levels stable. Oats provide slow-releasing carbohydrates, giving your muscles a consistent source of fuel all day long. This means less fatigue and more stamina for your daily activities. But oats don't just provide fuel, they also help maintain your muscles. They offer a good source of plant-based protein to help preserve the muscle you have. This leads to better balance and improved stability. Oats are also rich in iron and magnesium. Iron carries oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium helps them relax. This can prevent stiffness and those sudden, painful leg cramps at night. Enjoy them as a warm bowl in the morning or blend them into a smoothie. Oats are a simple way to power your muscles and keep your legs ready for anything. Number 5, avocados. Avocados are much more than a popular trend. For seniors, they are one of the best foods for keeping legs flexible and pain-free. Stiffness and aches can make it hard to get going in the morning. This is often caused by inflammation in the muscles and joints. Avocados are full of healthy monounsaturated fats that act like a soothing balm, calming inflammation and protecting muscle tissue. This means less soreness and more freedom of movement. Better yet, avocados are a potassium powerhouse, containing even more than bananas. Potassium is essential for proper muscle function and helps prevent spasms and tightness. Avocados also deliver vitamin E, an antioxidant that repairs small points of stress in your muscles, easing fatigue. Add avocado to your toast, salads, or simply enjoy it with a sprinkle of salt. Making it a regular part of your diet can help your legs feel more flexible and full of life. Number 3. Berries. Growing older is a given, but losing your strength doesn't have to be. Your muscles are constantly under attack from things like inflammation and oxidative stress. You might feel this as stiff knees or lingering soreness. This is where berries come to the rescue. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with powerful antioxidants. Think of them as tiny bodyguards that protect your muscles from damage and help them recover faster. Berries also help reduce the chronic inflammation that can lead to achy joints. And their high vitamin C content supports collagen, which is vital for keeping your muscles, tendons, and joints flexible. As an added bonus, the same antioxidants that protect your muscles also help keep your mind sharp. Add a handful to your oatmeal or yogurt. With every bite, you are building resilience and vitality from the inside out. Before we reveal our top 2 foods, if this information is helping you, a quick tap of the like button would mean the world to us. And be sure to subscribe to Senior Health Secrets for more tips to help you thrive after 60. How has your health journey been? We truly enjoy reading your comments, so please share your thoughts below. And if you'd like to support our channel, the Super Thanks button is a great way to do so. Every little bit helps. Number 2. Salmon. Every time you stand up or take a walk, your leg muscles are hard at work. As we get older, our body's natural muscle repair process slows down. This is why your legs might not feel as strong as they once did. Salmon is one of the best foods to counteract this. It is loaded with high-quality protein, which provides the essential building blocks your muscles need to repair themselves and stay firm. The real magic, however, comes from its omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are incredible at reducing inflammation, which is a major cause of muscle weakness and pain in seniors. They also improve blood flow, making sure your muscles get the oxygen they need to stay energized. You don't need to eat salmon every day. Just 2 servings a week can make a significant impact. Whether it's grilled, baked, or even canned, each serving helps rebuild and restore your legs. Number 1. Eggs. If you were to ask a nutritionist for the best all-around food for senior strength, many would point to the humble egg. They are simple, affordable, and contain a perfect package of nutrients for your muscles. As we age, we can lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. Eggs fight this directly. They provide high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the exact blueprint your body needs to maintain and grow muscle. Eggs are also one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial not just for your bones, but for muscle strength and coordination too. Inside the yolk, you'll find a nutrient called choline. Choline helps maintain the communication line between your nerves and muscles, leading to quicker reflexes and steadier steps. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day is all it takes. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, consistency is the key. Making eggs a regular part of your diet can help you feel balanced, confident, and powerful for years to come. Now, a few common questions we receive. First, do I need to eat all 6 of these foods every day? Not at all. The goal is to mix and match them throughout your week. Consistency is more important than quantity. When is the best time to eat them? The morning is a great time to start your day with quality nutrients, but eating them for lunch or dinner is perfectly fine too. Your body will thank you no matter when you nourish it. Can you combine them? Absolutely. In fact, they often work even better together as a team. Think oats with berries or salmon with a side of avocado. And finally, do I still need to exercise? Yes. Gentle movement helps put all these wonderful nutrients to work. Even short walks or simple chair exercises can accelerate your progress. Nutrition provides the fuel, and movement ignites it. So, let's do a quick recap. Sweet potatoes provide long-lasting energy. Oats build your stamina and fight cramps. Avocados boost flexibility and soothe joints. Berries protect your muscles from damage. Salmon rebuilds muscle tissue and improves circulation. And eggs offer a complete foundation for strength and stability. Together, these 6 foods create a natural defense against age-related muscle weakness. If you've been feeling that your legs aren't what they used to be, please know it's never too late to make a change. Your body is ready to respond. Start today. You might be surprised at how much better you feel in just a few weeks. Imagine lighter steps, a steadier gait, and renewed confidence in every move you make. Your legs are your foundation for an independent life. Small, consistent changes to your diet can lead to big improvements in how you feel. So start with one change this week. Maybe add some berries to your breakfast or try sweet potatoes with dinner. Every healthy bite is an investment in your future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Senior Health Secrets. And if you'd like to support our mission, consider using the Super Thanks button below. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods is already a favorite? And which new one are you excited to try this week? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving.